Topic 22, Circuit Components, Part 2, Capacitor and Relay. A capacitor is a device for storing electric charge. It can be any device which can store charges. Basically, a capacitor consists of two metal plates separated by an insulator like this. And the insulator is called the dielectric. The circuit symbol for capacitor is this one here. Charging of a capacitor, this one here, by connecting it to a battery in series with a resistor for protection. When the switch is closed, the current will flow temporarily until the capacitor is fully charged up. This graph here shows the charging process of a capacitor. It's fast at first, then slows down, then flattens off. For discharging a capacitor, the capacitor is connected to a resistor, typically a light bulb, and the charging process will be brief, so the light bulb will only glow for a few seconds. This graph here shows the discharging process. It discharges very fast and slows down and flattens off. Relay. Symbol for a relay is like this. It has two parts to it. This is an electromagnet, which is essentially a coil. That's a switch. That is part of a circuit here called primary circuit. Switch is part of another circuit called secondary circuit. Now let's have a look at this one here. So this is a relay there. That's a coil there, that's a switch. When this switch is closed, current flows and this electromagnet will pull the switch across to close the switch, which will start this secondary circuit and the pump will start. And you can see here that the voltage for operating primary circuit is low, only 24 volts. The voltage for operating secondary circuit is 240 volts, which is much higher. So it's much safer to have the switch in this circuit. If we were to have this switch in this circuit here, it can be potentially dangerous. These are the main points about relay. A relay is a switch based on the principle of an electromagnet. It uses one circuit, the primary circuit, to switch on another circuit called the secondary circuit. Typically, the secondary circuit has larger current and larger power and could pose a potential danger to the operator. Primary circuit has much smaller current and therefore is safer to switch on.